Welcome to Lucy's English Explored.
Wow, a rainbow! I'm flying! Look at all the letters! Hi, Mr. Lion! We're gonna have so much fun!
Hi, kids! Let's learn our ABCs together. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat. Great job, everyone!
Look, an A. A is for apple, an alligator, an airplane. It's so big!
Look, the letter B. B is for bird, balls, banana, and butterfly. Look at them bounce!
Wow! Look at the C! It has cats and cookies. Oh, and a happy cow. This is amazing! Look, a dog starts with D, ruff ruff, and a dinosaur, stomp stomp, and a duck, quack, and a drum, bouncy bouncy, D D D. Look, the elephant sprays water. Wow, an eagle! And eggs are dancing. We learned E, the letter F. F is for frog and fish and flowers. Can you say F? Wow, a giant giraffe! Chewing sounds! Look at the grapes!
A happy bleeding!
Yum, this is delicious, thank you! Let's learn about the letter H. Here's a horse galloping fast, a helicopter flying high, and a happy hippo laughing. Look at the dancing ice cream! Hello, letters! It's an ABC party! Wow, they're on my bow! This is the best adventure ever! Jump and splash, everyone! Let's do the juice dance! Woohoo! More juice! Look, K for kangaroo jumping!
And K for kite flying high! And K for koala giving me a hug!
K is a wonderful letter.
Wow! Look at that!
Hello there, big fella! You're so fluffy! Look, it's the letter M. M is for monkey, M is for moon, M is for milk. Ooh, wow! Wow, a narwhal! Let's explore together! Look at the bouncing noodles! This is so much fun! Wow, look at that! Hello there, little friend! He's dancing! This is amazing! Wow, look at the pizza go! Whoopee! Popcorn! This is the best day! Quail, query, and quest. That's the power of Q!
Wow, a flying Q! Come on, little guy!
I'm faster than you.
Not today!
We're almost there.
Beep boop beep! I see the sun. S is for sun.
We're dancing like a snake.
S is for snake. Strawberry. S is for strawberry. I learned the letter S.
Look, a playful tiger.
Wow, a fast train.
I see a slow turtle and magic letters everywhere. Look at the umbrellas. Wow, a unicorn.
Ribbit.
Hello, fishy friends. Watch this.
Bloop bloop.
I am learning the letter V with my violin.
Wow, a whale and a bouncing watermelon. Woohoo! And a playful wolf. It's so amazing! Wow, this xylophone world is amazing! Look at all the magical X's and the dancing letters. Look what I can do! Yoo-hoo! Look at the yummy yogurt. It's a big Y. Hooray! Yay, the letter Z. Look at the zebra dance. Go, zebra! Woohoo! A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S, Q, R, Q. Goodbye, sweet dreams, and see you next time.